Hi guys, welcome to my channel to design, and today we'll be doing these amazing stuffs on Adobe Illustrator. So today we'll be creating apple and mango and orange using Adobe tools. So come on, this is our canvas. First of all, we'll draw a rectangle and then I'll just hold down my alt to duplicate. Hold on, yeah. To duplicate, I'll drag it to the middle. I will not alt again, drag it to the middle, and I will just group them together and hold down alt and drag down to duplicate actually. Good. Then I will rotate and shift this one to the middle, just like this. Okay, now I'll group everything together. Go to my shape builder tool and just hold down alt, remove this part, remove this part, remove this part, I'll group them together and remove this part, remove the part, remove the part, just like this. And this is our orange. So I'll make the up little, I'll make the up smaller, like this. I'll group them together and just drag. Okay. Then I'll change the color to maybe green. This is the leaf actually. Okay, this is good. Yeah. Now the orange, I'll change it to yellow. I think I have it here already. Okay. And this is our orange. I can remove the shape. Good. Yeah. I'll just drag it here to the middle. No, left side. Sorry. Okay. Now you can also go down to your rectangle. Go down your alt. Sorry, your shift to drag straight. Good. And yeah, I'll put it here, drag again, hold it down alt to duplicate actually. Good. Yeah, make sure it's aligned. That's very important. Then I'll just come here, path founder, I'll drag down. Sorry, yeah. Okay, this is our ample actually. Then I'll go to the app tool and just drag a little. I'll flip this one, yeah, and change the color to, I think I like this color. Yeah, let me change the apple color to maybe green, or no, I think I like this color. Let me just put in color, or let's try green. Oh, yeah, I think this is good. Let me change this one also. I'll show you the other color. Yeah. Okay, and this is our ample. Now we can do the mango. I'll just take this one here. Now for the mango part, we'll need a rectangle also. I'll just drag here. I'm not holding down shift, so because mango is curved. Then I'll just go to this other part and drag like this. Good. I'm using a direct tool actually. I'll drag, not too much. Good. I think this mango is good. I'll put the arc tool. Same thing we use in the apple. Then I'll just put the color. Hold on. I'm using gradient. I think I prefer gradient on the mango. Yeah. Okay. I think I like this one. Now this is our mango. Good. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Peace out. Cheers.